Obsidian is a C++ Vulkan-powered component-based rendering library inspired by React Native. It was developed for the interactive painting program for the OpenHID Lab. It uses functional composition to build a scene graph and updates it using the Flux architecture. Benchmarks show it performing faster than OpenGL. For a download, visit github.com/openhid/obsidian. Obsidian is semantically equivalent to React or React-like libraries like Inferno or Preact. You construct a class, and that class extends our component base class. And from there, you're able to work with reactive programming paradigms. The primary interface function of a component is its render function, which simply describes, using functional composition, what nodes would exist according to what state. So this builds off prior art such as component-based architectures. Apps are built as a tree of function factories, resulting in less overhead than domain-specific languages. Examples of this include React, React Native, Angular 2, Unreal Engine 4, Ember, and Inferno. And as well as graphics APIs. This builds on top of Vulkan, the latest graphics API offered by the Khronos Group, released on February 2016. Prior art in this regard are OpenGL, OpenCL, WebGL, DirectX, CUDA, and Apple Metal. The architecture includes package management with Conan.io, template metaprogramming for compile time safety and zero runtime, factory functions to avoid the new keyword and work with more functional semantics, and the actor model, whereas components are composed of independent actors within an application. Future work includes building a shim that will bridge Vulkan with other graphics APIs, building a constant expressions shader string compiler as a part of the library, so that way you don't have to compile them outside of your IDE or your C++ compiler, and cross-platform compilation to all Vulkan OS targets, and even other targets supported by Khronos, hence the shim. This project was sponsored by the OpenHID Lab and mentored by Francisco Ortega.